Hello, my friends. Puppetji here, back home from Chicago. Yes, I'm in my humble abode. I didn't really have the time to get out to the studio. I'm unpacking and doing laundry and cleaning, getting my house back to order. It feels so good to be back home with my house, my routine, all the things. I just wanted to do a quick little check-in just to let you know I'm staying on top of my 30 days of something more, and I'm doing something more differently because I'm not in the studio. I'm in my house. Yes. So we see you tomorrow. I'll probably make it to the studio, and we'll take it from there. Maybe we'll show some clips this week of all the things that I did, perhaps, in Chicago. We'll cut together a little travel reel. You know what I mean? Anyway, I love you. Thank you for watching, whoever you are, and you know who you are. Namaste tuned. Ciao.